Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul today and let me show you what I picked up. I picked up some skulls and these are the small skulls. I like these. They come in a black mesh bag like this and you get 8 pieces. And I also did another repurchase. I picked up some more of the Halloween ribbon, and this is the one with the multiple images on there. It says Happy Halloween, Spooky. It has spider webs, skull, candy corns, jack-o'-lanterns, and spiders. And I did pick up 4 more of these, and I will be using those very soon. I also started shopping for my trick-or-treaters, and this is what I picked up. I picked up 2 bags of these. They just say party favors and surprises. So you get 6 of these, and these are the little balls. They like the spiky balls. Yeah, let me open it because I do. I'm going to break these up anyway, so. And they look like this. Cute, right? I love shopping for my trick-or-treaters. I do give out candy. I only do it because my family says I have to. But other than that, I love giving out surprises. I also picked these up, and this is Kaleidoscopes. Cute. And I have 2 bags of these. And then I picked up 2 bags of these. This one you get 4 pieces, and these are the little jumping toys. You get a collection of spiders, and supposedly you put it flat on the table and then you pop it. I don't know if it's like supposed to jump or just wiggle back and forth, but I got 2 bags of those. And then I also picked up this one. This is finger puppets. They're monster finger puppets, and you get 5 per bag. Look at that. Cute. And I also picked this one up. This one, it's a zipper fidget bracelet. Interesting, right? You get 5 of them. And then you see the picture right there. So I can break this up and, give it away as single pieces. But cute, right? This is the first time I've seen the zipper one. Something new. So Dollar Tree has some new pins, and these are by Zebra and the Sarasa. That could be how you say it, right? S-A-R-A-S-A. Anyhow, they are fine liner pins, and it is a needle point pin, and it's 0.8 millimeters. I found it in the red, the pink, the purple, the blue, black, and green. How cute. So they also have some new brush markers that I saw by Jot. So if you're interested in brush markers, go ahead and pick those up. I mean, I have an abundance of brush markers, so I did not need any more. But this was something new. I like it that it is a very fine point. And I'm going to test this in just a minute, so I'm going to put this aside. But let me show you what else I picked up. I found these. Look at this. Some new push pins by Jot. And first of all, look at the new labels they have. It says Corner Office by Jot. So these are velvet push pins, and you get 20 pieces. I found this to be very interesting. I will most likely disassembled because that's what I do best. Hey, look at this. It's like a half round. So, you can just pull the pin off and then reuse the velvet part, right? Cute. I picked up 2 packages in the tan, and then I picked up 2 packages in the navy blue. Look at that. And the pin itself is rose gold. So they also had the full round one in a clear ball and in the pearl balls. So if that's something you're interested, they have that available too. Okay, move these aside. And I also picked up some velvet shapes. I picked up the jack-o'-lantern, and you get 12 pieces, and it is by Crafter Square. I also picked up the ghost ones, and there's 12 pieces in this one also. They also have this available in the cat and the bat, so if you're interested. But I have a DIY in mind that needed a little larger piece, so that's why I picked those up. And then I needed a yellow paint to go with my Crafter Square collection. So you get 3 fluid ounces in this, and I picked up the yellow one. There are 2 shades of yellow, so pay attention to that. You have one just a degree lighter than the one I have. So let's see. And then I found this one, so I went ahead and picked this up. This is by Crabtree and 11 London. It is Pearl and Pink Magnolia. It's an uplifting body lotion, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. But this smells really, really good. So if you get a chance, yum, pick it up, give it a sniff. Really cute. I loved all scents of hand lotions, so this one I will use this as a hand lotion, and I'm going to keep this right here on my craft table. I also picked up 4 of these white Christmas trees, and I believe these are 16 inches if I remember correctly. It could be 14 inches, but yeah, I needed the white tree so I can decorate it for Halloween, and again I can reuse it for Christmas and all other holidays. Now I have bought some for, and I was trying to make some candy corn trees. It didn't work out too well because I had my colors in the wrong order, so I needed some more. So I will most likely do that again to at least one tree. I'm going to go ahead and candy corn color it, and then the other one I want to keep as white. So I have bought 4 of these. And then the last item I want to show you are these. These I found at Family Dollar. How cute are these? Look at that. And it was just $1. Was it $1? Was it from... I could be wrong. I think I got this one from Dollar General. But yeah, sorry. I believe this came from Dollar General. So this one says trick or treat. Look at that. It's a nice black little truck. And this one has the jack-o'-lanterns in the back, see there? And then this one has the ghost. Very adorable. And of course this one says Boo Crew with the boos. I find that very adorable. He's wearing sunglasses. Just cute. And I'm going to be using these little black trucks on my tier trays. It'll look awesome. Let's try the red one first. Look at that. Cute. And then the pink one. I like it. So This, they kind of write like, you know, the lip pins. If you guys ever used a lip pin, it's just like that one. And this one is black. Well, I'm amazed that these were only $1.25. And then the purple. Yeah, I love them. And then the blue. What did I miss? The green. The green is on the a light green color. See there? I like them. Adorable. Yep, I love these colors, and I love the way they write. Just adorable. Let me see if I have a lip pen on my desk. Let me show you what I mean, because I do love my lip pens. I have a purple one here. See how thin they are? Just adorable. I love that. I love my lip pen, so I'm quite happy that I found it in this brand, the Zebra. I didn't even know they had like a fine liner pen, so that is very good news. Well, I hope that was very helpful, and that, you know, you have an idea now how these pens write. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up when you go visit your Dollar Tree. Look at this. I love these push pins and my new fine point pins. Cute, very adorable. I will be working on a few more Halloween projects. I mean, I still have time, right? I will continue to do my projects and up until Halloween. Look at this. All the goodies for the trick-or-treaters. Adorableness. And, of course, my skull. I'm going to use these skulls in my lantern, so I'm going to put them in there and just put a candle right in the center. I love using these as fillers. They come out really cute. And then you can just put like if you don't want a candle in there, just put it in a jar like this and then put some fairy lights in there, and that's cute too. See? Adorableness. I love it. I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list as you visit your local Dollar Tree this week. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.